Okay, we should be live on YouTube right now, so be careful what you say. Yeah, hello everyone. Last week, 2 weeks ago, I was alone. Today there is more of us at the meeting, and we don't have a huge, long agenda. I'm going to share the screen so you can actually see it. My entire screen. And then, of course, I'm showing you my company Slack. Perfect. So I hope you can see JCasC office hours, minutes of meeting document in Google Docs. And yeah, so we have me, John, and team. God, I hope that's how you spell your name.
Yeah, that's right.
Very good. And there is a couple of things I want to point out or mention, and John and team, whatever you want to add, we can add it. So let's start with this pull request by Joseph to help us clean the issues. We have a number of issues, and some of them are, well, not important anymore, or doesn't make sense. They don't make sense anymore, or we just didn't give them enough attention, and some of them are not worth keeping, but it's not that easy to clean them. So Joseph had an idea to introduce this stale manager and clean the inactive issues, those inactive issues, and pull requests, and he proposed a solution. So yeah, he actually did something, so we're waiting for that to be merged. But I had a look at that, and I'm actually happy with his proposal, and team also accepted. So probably it's going to be merged very soon. So if the issue is inactive for at least 90 days, it's going to be stale. And we have some labels that we can use to prevent the issue from going into stale. And of course, if the issue is marked as stale, and you're the author of the issue or interested in the issue for whatever reason, just comment or act in some way. Let us know that this issue should not be removed. So it's not like we kill the issues and they are gone. It's just to help us clean the stuff that is, well, not active, not valid anymore. And yeah, no one was complaining about it. So as I said, it's going to be merged pretty soon. Team, do you have anything to add regarding that one?
Pretty cool.
No, other than that, we use it at work, and it's very useful. Most of the time when it goes stale, you normally see activity. Either someone closes it straight away, or they remember about it and they've just forgotten. So either way, it's always been useful for us.
Yeah. So just like for everyone who's using it, it's not like we don't care about the issues and, well, we just close them. It's just some help to not keep them open forever without a reason. We can always discuss each specific issue if there is a problem. So yeah, I'm not sure what Joseph is doing with it now, but it should be pretty close to being merged. And then we have this idea to targeting 2.164.1 for JCasC, and I actually have a question regarding that one, and it might be a pretty dumb question that will reveal that I have no idea what I'm doing. But if we switch to 2.164.1, does it mean that from the version of JCasC that will be targeting that one, you can only use it with at least that version of Jenkins, or?
Yeah, that's what it means.
Okay, but I mean, I still think the issue makes the pull request makes a lot of sense. And then team, you commented that it might be best to wait for a couple of weeks to get the numbers. And
yeah. Yeah, so that LTS was only released like a couple of weeks ago, and it wasn't out when the statistics were last published. So at least wait until the next statistics are published. It's now April, so they should be up soon. They might be up now.
They are up now with this, I think. Yeah, they've updated the statistics to include 2166. So, but they don't use the subversions of was it 164? Yeah.
So LTS is probably released after that point.
Okay.
Yeah, so there needs to be. Well, let's see. Yeah, so we need to wait for another couple of weeks to see. 166 was 26th of February.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Let's mark it pinned so it doesn't get stale.
How do you mark it pin? It's just a label.
Yeah, it is.
Yes. Very good. Okay, so everyone agrees we want to move with the Jenkins version, and we'll wait a little bit to like make the change make sense. And those are two issues or pull requests actually I wanted to talk about, and we have a lot of pull requests that are either work in progress or need to be retriggered. So the tick is green, and we can have a look at them. But is there anything any of you, team and John, wanted to bring up today?
No, really, just
No, it just came along, so you went alone.
yeah, checking back in.
Okay, very good. It's nice to hear you. But I'm not gonna keep you much longer if there's nothing else to discuss right now. I will poke the PR's authors to retrigger or make sure there are no merge conflicts, especially with the older PRs, so we can also clean the PRs without losing anything important. So let's hope we will have a little bit more to talk about in 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, I'll be in a train. Yeah, but it's not going to be Wednesday. Sorry. We should have a meeting again in 2 weeks.
Sure. The link to the calendar, Jenkins calendar, could you kind of repost it, because I've thrown it away somehow.
Of course, I will. I will put it on Geeker.
Yeah, sure. How about in the office hours minutes of meeting link there?
Sorry, you want to put the link?
Yeah, link in the office hours, because
okay.
I was thinking that Gitter, you blinked twice and the message is gone.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of stuff is going on.
Yeah.
So
I'll put it. And I may even put it in or do we have it somewhere in README in
couldn't find it. I couldn't find it in the README, so a new pull request. Update README.
Yeah, there's gonna be one. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that the link to the calendar is available in wherever it can be available, and yeah, I guess we're gonna close the meeting.
All right, thanks.
Thanks for joining.
All right, thank you.
Bye.